In this video, we're diving into how to use Melio to send and receive B2B payments. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you manage your business finances efficiently. Whether you're tired of writing checks, juggling invoices, or chasing down late payments, Melio's digital payment platform could be your solution. We'll walk through setting up your account, sending payments to vendors, and receiving payments from customers. Why digital B2B payments matter. Traditional B2B payments, like mailing paper checks or accepting physical invoices, are slow and error prone. They create cash flow delays and administrative headaches. Digital payment tools like Melio help you schedule payments, keep records organized, and give vendors flexible options for receiving funds. Businesses today need reliable cash flow and streamlined processes, and Melio aims to deliver just that. Setting up your account. Click the link down below in the description to get started with Melio. When you use that link, you'll be able to enjoy $50 cash back. So not a bad little bonus right there. Now, when you go ahead and get signed up, you'll be asked whether you're paying vendors or receiving payments. Most businesses choose accounts payable to send payments. You can add get paid later if you want to also accept payments. So once you're logged in, you'll want to go ahead and set up your bank account. So if we come over here to settings in the bottom left corner, we can come here to payment methods, and this is where we can go ahead and add a bank account as well as a card here. Set up get paid. Now, if you want to accept payments from customers, then we'll navigate to the get paid section. Navigate to the get paid tab in your dashboard and start the activation process. You'll add a receiving bank account, verify your identity, and provide ownership details. The setup takes just a few minutes, and it ensures that you can create invoices and payment links for customers. So to do that, we'll come over here to the get paid section here, and this is where we can go ahead and create invoices, but again, it's going to say activate your account to start accepting payments. Section 2, sending payments to vendors. Step 1, create a new payment. On the Melio dashboard, click new payment. A form appears requesting details about your vendor. Enter the legal business name, the payment amount, due date, and frequency, one time or recurring. Optionally, you can include invoice numbers, invoice dates, or notes for internal reference. So let's go do that now. We'll come up here, we'll go to pay, and here we'll go ahead and click on new payment. So here it's going to ask for a business or vendor, which we don't have one yet. So we'll go ahead and add one, or maybe a cleaning service. We'll call this Clark's Cleaning Service. And we'll go ahead and click add new vendor. It'll pop up this little vendor window here where we can add information like email address, phone number, etc. We'll go clark@example.com and address, and we'll go ahead and click save. And then here we can go ahead and put the bill amount. He charged me $100 per month. We'll call this invoice number 1. Additional payments, payment frequency. We can choose one-time payment. We can choose weekly, every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, twice a month, monthly, every 2 months, every 3 months, every 4 months, every 6 months, or yearly. So he comes every 4 weeks. So we'll go ahead and select that. First payment date, we'll go ahead and click on the little calendar here, and we'll choose next Friday. And we'll just do that until I decide to cancel. And we'll just put right here for this little note, we'll go ahead and put office cleaning by Clark. And then we'll go ahead and click continue to pay. Step 2, choose how you want to pay. So Melio lets you pay vendors via ACH, bank transfer, or credit debit card. Paying by card might incur fees, but it allows you to earn credit rewards and manage cash flow. So just select your preferred method and confirm your bank or card details. If you haven't added a payment method yet, click to connect your bank account using Plaid, or enter your card details manually. So here we can go ahead and choose, we'll go ahead and just select the bank account, and then it's going to ask us to go ahead and fill in our bank information here. Step 3, select vendor delivery method. Decide how your vendor will receive the funds. Options include ACH deposit, wire transfer, a single-use virtual card, paper check, or letting the vendor choose. For vendors new to Melio, the let the vendor choose option sends them a link to select their preference. Step 4, schedule the payment. Like you saw, you can go ahead and use Melio's calendar to pick a payment date. The due date you entered is pre-selected, but you can adjust it. Be mindful of bank holidays. Melio flags these dates and chooses the delivery speed. Standard ACH takes a few business days, while fast transfers may cost extra. Click continue to review. Step 5, review and confirm. Carefully review the payment amount, vendor info, payment method, and delivery details. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click confirm and schedule the payment. Melio may prompt you to enter legal info if this is your first payment. Now, once confirmed, Melio handles handles the rest, sending an email to your vendor when the payment is on its way. Step 6, managing existing bills. So you can also pay existing bills from the Bills tab. Melio shows a list of uploaded or synced invoices if you connected it to QuickBooks or Xero. Just select a bill, choose pay, and follow the same steps as a new payment. You can pay multiple bills at once and choose different payment methods for each vendor. Section 3, receiving payments from customers. Now, if you activated Get Paid, you can also create invoices or share payment links to collect money from customers. Step 1, create an invoice or payment request. So we'll come up here, we'll switch over to Get Paid, and over here we'll go ahead and click on Create Invoice. I'll just call this customer number 1, super fancy customer name. Click on Add Customer. We'll go customer 1, email, customer@example.com, phone number, and click Save. Sweet, we'll go ahead and select that customer. Invoice number, it's gonna pre-enter that. Invoice frequency, 1 time. Invoice due today. You can go ahead and leave a note. You can also upload a file. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we can come here to search an item. We'll call this, maybe we do coaching, to add that as a new item. And we'll do this, it was $100. You can add discounts, you can add a service charge as well. And then there's payment options. So you can either choose ACH bank transfer or credit debit card, but just know that your customer will pay that 2.9% fee. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and click create and share. And then again, this is the thing where it's gonna ask you to go ahead and verify your business details if this is your first time using it. Step 2, choose your receiving method. So again, you can decide where you want the money deposited. You can connect a checking account, which is recommended, or a debit card. Melio transfers funds using ACH. Funds may take 1 to 3 business days to arrive, depending on the bank and payment method. Step 3, send the invoice or link, click send to email the invoice or copy the payment link. Customers can pay by bank, transfer, or card. If you choose to accept card payments, again, note that your customer may pay a small fee, 2.9%, but the funds appear faster. Step 4, track your payments. Melio's dashboard shows all incoming payments in the Get Paid section. You can filter by status, whether that's paid, pending, or overdue, and resend reminders. For recurring clients, save customer details to speed up future invoicing. Melio automatically matches payments to invoices, simplifying bookkeeping. Section 4, advantages of Melio. There's no monthly fees. Melio doesn't charge monthly subscription fees. You only pay for certain transaction types, like credit card payments and international wires. ACH transfers are typically free. Flexibility. Pay vendors via bank, card, or check. Let vendors decide how they want to receive money. Rewards and cash flow. Paying by credit card allows you to earn rewards while still letting your vendors to get paid by ACH. You can defer cash outflow to the card's due date. Integration. Melio integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, syncing bills and payments automatically. This reduces data entry and helps with reconciliation. Approval workflows. You can set up approval chains so managers sign off on payments. This is useful for medium-sized businesses needing some oversight. Section 5, limitations and considerations. Payment limits. Melio imposes transaction limits, especially for new accounts. You may need to prove additional documentation to increase your limits. Processing time. Standard ACH transfers take a few business days. Fast transfers cost extra. International payments. While available, international transfers may have higher fees or additional regulations. No personal use. Melio is strictly for business-to-business transactions. Personal payments are not allowed. Customer support. Melio offers chat and email support, but response times can vary. There's no 24/7 phone support for standard users. Section 6, best practices for smooth Melio payments. Keep vendor details accurate. Ensure vendor names and bank information are correct to avoid payment delays or returns. Use the notes field. Adding invoice numbers and notes helps both you and your vendor reconcile payments. Schedule ahead. Plan payments a few days before they're due to account for ACH processing time. Review regularly. Revisit your payment history to spot duplicate payments or errors. Melio's dashboard helps you search and filter transactions. Educate vendors. If a vendor's unfamiliar with digital payments, send them a quick note explaining that they can choose how to receive their funds. This reduces any confusion. Simplify your B2B payments with Melio. Melio makes it easy to send and receive B2B payments online without the hassle of paper checks or complicated banking portals. By signing up, connecting your bank account, and learning the steps to pay vendors and receive payments, you'll streamline your accounts payable and receivable processes. Melio's flexibility, lack of subscription fees, and integration with accounting software make it a really strong option for small to medium-sized businesses. If you value digital efficiency and you want to take control of your business payments, give Melio a try. So if you want to get started with Melio, we've got a link for you down in the description below where you can earn $50 cash back. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting your productivity. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.